Dana, the goal is to build your best bikini body, but you only have 3 exercises that you can use for the rest of your life to build that bikini body. What are the 3 exercises? What are you choosing?
I'm choosing barbell hip thrust,
Number 1,
dumbbell Bulgarian split squat,
2,
and dumbbell standing lateral raises.
number 3. All right, so they're your top 3, yeah, for the rest of your life. Now, we're going to cover why. So barbell hip thrust was number 1, correct? Why barbell hip thrust?
Barbell hip thrust, I think, is just a good compound movement. I think it's good just overall building strength in your glutes as well. If you build up the strength in your hip thrust, I find that I was able to carry that over into my other movements like the dumbbell Bulgarian split squat.
Cool. So barbell hip thrust, we're going to work our glutes, glute max. We're going to build up a lot of strength in hip extension as well. What was number 2? Bulgarian?
Bulgarian.
Okay, cool. And why the Bulgarian split squats?
I just feel like it's a good one in terms of lengthening that glute, getting that stretch and that range of motion. I feel like I'm really able to target and focus on feeling my glutes in this exercise. And I've also seen a lot of growth from doing the Bulgarians.
Okay, nice. So, which is correct, like with the hip thrust, we're going to shorten the glute and challenge it there. Then we're going to lengthen it with the Bulgarians. What was number 3?
Number 3 was the dumbbell standing lateral raises.
Okay, and why dumbbell standing lateral raises?
It's a good one for the delts. When you are building a bikini body, you don't want to just focus on building up your glutes. You also want to have a physique that is well in proportion. So obviously targeting the shoulders as well so you can get that frame that you're looking for.
Cool, I like it. Very good reasoning. And that's your 3 for your best bikini body that you'll have to stick to for the rest of your life, yeah? Now, I don't have a bikini body necessarily. I do more beach body, I suppose. But if I only had 3 exercises that I could pick for the rest of my life to give, my clients, whether they're competing or whether they're, just want to get in shape for the beach, I would agree with you. I'd choose hip thrust as number 1. I think that's a great exercise to build the glutes. You can load it up. It's pretty simple to teach. Great for glute development. Which obviously in a bikini body, we want to build up the glutes. That'd be my number 1. Number 2 I would choose is going to be lateral raises. You said standing, I'll say standing as well, or they can be done seated. I want to build the lateral delt to get a really nice ratio between the delts and the waist. So that can have an illusion of a smaller waist, because that's the hourglass shape we're going for. And my number 3, I'm going to be focusing on the lats, once again to create an illusion of a smaller waist. So the more we can focus on the lats to come out and really develop them nicely, the smaller waist we'll have, which means we'll have a better bikini body as well. So there'd be my top 3 guys that would be looking at hip thrust for myself, lateral raises, and then focusing on your lats. The lats specifically with the exercises, would be a cable neutral grip pull down. Lat focused, not upper back focused. But rep ranges, what rep ranges would you be focusing on?
Well, I love doing my 5 to 8, but I would say the best rep ranges in terms of wanting to build muscle for hypertrophy would be 8 to 12.
8 to 12 reps, yeah? I would go very similar. Thinking about it now, I'd probably go 8 to 15 reps within that range. It's what I've seen with clients that build really good muscle mass. It's enough to get really good functional strength as well, but also our goal is to build, nice lean body mass as well. So there you go, guys. There's 3 exercises if we had to choose for the rest of our life. Very similar in a couple of them, but also a bit different in one or another. So go get after it. Use those exercises, build your own bikini body, and we'll see you in the next one.